Are you looking for a full-service apartment community with amenities? Let's meet the experts at Greenzang Properties who specialize in what to look for when renting a place to call home in Philadelphia.
I'm Mike Greenzang, the owner of Greenzang Properties. We're a full-service property management company in the greater Philadelphia area. We have 2,500 apartments in over 300 properties. So we specialize in scattered sites throughout the Philadelphia area. We're about a 100-mile radius of the city. I got interested in real estate and working for myself at a young age. My father always encouraged me to run your own business. I had a friend and a neighbor whose father owned apartments in Manhattan, and he became a bit of a role model. He did very well for himself, and I just kind of patterned my life and my career after his.
They own and manage a variety of rental properties, so there's something for everyone.
We offer apartments as small as 200 square feet, a little condo in the city. We're by Drexel University, University of Pennsylvania, and other major schools. And we also offer 4-bedroom apartments, 2,000 square feet with a balcony overlooking the city. So we have a wide range, wide locations. We have something for everyone and for every price range. We have building sizes from 5 units up to 100 units. We manage them at a high quality with doorman quality service at a better price. We're able to accept packages at our office and deliver it right to your apartment. We're able to provide 24/7 maintenance. We're as convenient a landlord as you'll find in Philadelphia area.
Our website provides each resident, the opportunity to have a portal with their own login information where they can pay their rent, review their ledgers, at the same time send maintenance requests, track their maintenance requests, see when it's closed, and see which ones are still outstanding.
Their loyal staff offers the best in maintenance and customer service.
We're able to respond to a maintenance request by having an on-call technician always on call 24 hours a day. We get the call through our online portal system, and the head maintenance and the person on call gets the call and is able to respond to the resident within 30 minutes and get to the site usually within an hour. One of the most important things for Greenzang Properties is basically making the tenants the core of every decision that we make throughout the entire complex. We make sure to do everything in our power to make sure our residents have a great overall customer service experience.
Convenient, comfortable, pet-friendly. Who wouldn't want to live in a Greenzang property?
We lived in Center City, Philadelphia, in a walk-up apartment with Greenzang, and then once we had a baby, we moved to the suburbs and we moved into another Greenzang property in downtown Phoenixville, so another really good location.
One of the other incentives that we provide our residents is the ability to transfer from one apartment to the other. So whether they've been with us for 2 months or for 6 years, they can easily transfer without doing any other paperwork. Just one signature and they're able to transfer, especially nowadays when people want an additional office or they just want to upgrade. In the entire state of Pennsylvania, it's just one signature away.
We decided to stay with Greenzang when we moved because really the versatility with the properties that they offered and the locations was really top-notch. We looked around in a lot of different management companies, especially with our family growing, and we were really looking for somewhere that was safe, affordable. We have a little pet that likes to run around as well, and being pet friendly was a huge thing that not many management companies offer. Those were huge factors. We're really lucky as well. Our location has an on-site management office, so we're able to get really easy dialogue and service with our property manager. We have face-to-face interaction and a lot of visibility with our maintenance staff as well, which just makes us feel safer having a young family amongst a lot of other neighbors and everything else. So that was huge for us.
With 6 convenient offices and over 2,300 units, there's truly something for everyone.
We're constantly looking for ways to improve our properties and modernize by adding things that we feel like residents love to see, new cabinets, new backsplash, even adding washer and dryers throughout the entire portfolio. We're constantly looking for ways to modernize, which we think tenants will love.
I've been in the Philadelphia area as a landlord for over 30 years. I know the neighborhoods, I know what the residents want. That's the service that we provide. So we're your local, friendly neighborhood landlord.
Want to know more? Visit greenzang.com and go to our website, designingspaces.tv.